How terrible is absolute zero? Why can the highest temperature in the universe reach 1.411 billion degrees Celsius, while the lowest temperature is only 273.15 degrees Celsius? First of all, we have to understand what absolute zero is. In 1802, French chemist Louis Roussac conducted an experiment based on the gas expansion effect. First, prepare a cup with a capacity label and a movable piston that can fit the cup. Then squeeze out all the air in the cup. Then put some gas into the piston and seal it. Use a thermometer to measure the current room temperature. When the temperature is 24.83 degrees Celsius, the volume of gas in the cup is 84 milliliters. Then put the cup in a large bucket of water and add ice cubes to cool it down to zero. The volume of gas in the cup is reduced to 77 milliliters and the cold water is changed to boiling water. According to the measurement, when the temperature reaches 99.33 degrees Celsius, the volume of gas in the cup becomes 105 milliliters. When the water temperature continues to drop, the volume of gas is also gradually decreasing. Now draw a graph to analyze the data. The horizontal axis represents the temperature, and the vertical axis represents the volume of gas. When these data points are marked, the temperature and volume are actually a linear relationship. Now let's extend this vertical line to predict the unmeasured limit data. Finally, when the temperature drops to less than 273.15 degrees Celsius, the volume of gas becomes zero. Since the volume cannot be less than zero, we can predict that the lowest temperature cannot be less than 273.15 degrees Celsius. Even if different gases are used for repeated experiments, the result may be different. But the temperature and volume are still proportional. When the temperature is close to absolute zero, the movement speed of the particles becomes very slow, so that they are almost in a state of stillness. At this time, everything will be frozen, even light is no exception. If we touch objects of absolute zero with our hands, we may not feel any pain at first, but the cold air will soon penetrate your skin, causing your skin to freeze. Unfortunately, scientists have not been able to artificially create an environment below 273.15 degrees Celsius. However, half a mile away from the Earth, there is a comet-shaped star cloud with a temperature of less than 272.15 degrees Celsius. It is only 1 degree higher than absolute zero, which is the coldest place in the universe. Many scientists pessimistically believe the end of the universe may be a great freeze. Mysterious dark energy will lead the universe to a future of cooling and stagnation. All natural activities will stop. The universe will eventually evolve into a state without thermodynamics and free energy. All physical laws will also collapse. Any life form will eventually cease to exist. About 100 billion years later, all the black holes in the universe will disappear completely. Since the beginning of the universe, time has lost all meaning. The increase will also stop it. The universe has finally come to an end. Nothing will happen until forever.